Okay mga kamatis, mga kaibigan, pakinggan na natin si House Speaker Romualdez. Maganda yung sinabi niya rito eh.
She represents millions of Filipinos whose lives have been touched by our legislative efforts.
Yun.
To those who doubted the importance of social safety nets, let this be a reminder. Ayuda is not charity, it is justice.
Wow, strong words. Ay, mali. Sige, pa-explainin natin siya, tapos mag-explain.
It is our duty to ensure that no Filipino falls through the cracks, especially in times of crisis.
So, explain natin bakit ayuda is not charity, okay? So, una muna, yung ayuda kasi, parang yan yung common term na ginagamit natin for the government program called Poverty Alleviation Program, okay? So, yan yung technical term nun eh. Pero yung simplified term nun is ayuda kasi madali yan sa masa eh. Madali yang tandaan. Now, if we're being technical about this, yung ayuda na yan is not the same with the charity na ginagawa ng ibang mga tao. Halimbawa, ako, pag lumabas ako, pag may nakita akong mga naghihika sa buhay, binibigyan ko ng salapi or binibigyan ko ng pagkain. Yon, charity yon. Kasi nga, hindi ako nire-required ng kahit sinong tao para gawin yon. Ginagawa ko lang yon out of my conscience. Pero kasi, when conscience meet the law, ang mangyayari dyan is magkakaroon tayo ng mga poverty alleviation programs, aka ayuda programs. Kuha nyo? Now, this is not the same with charity kasi ang charity very optional. Etong ayuda program ng current government natin, thanks to our House Speaker and all the people making our laws, is that the government's money is, or the people's money is given to the people who need it the most. It is actually a form of social justice. If we consult the constitution of our country under social justice, ang isang idea doon is ganito: those who have less in life should have more in law. This is why this ayuda program of the government is not just charity, but it is a form of social justice na dapat maraming tao ang qualified kung kinikailangan. Halimbawa, yung AKAP. Yung AKAP, kung kapos yung kita mo, pwede kang lumapit at kumuha ng AKAP. Yung AX, kung ikaw ay isang taong may disability. Yung TUPAD, kung kailangan mo ng trabaho at mabilis ang sahod, nandyan ang TUPAD. Of course, yung 4Ps, nandyan din yan. This is the idea of social justice, mga kamatis, mga kaibigan. Of course, our House Speaker, tinutwist nila lagi yung words kasi nga, parang nakakatawa sa una. Pero ang basihan yan, since our House Speaker is a lawyer, is actually the adage of social justice, mga kamatis, mga kaibigan. So, ako po'y nananawagan sa inyo, kung kayo po ay qualified sa ayuda programs natin, kunin nyo yan. Para sa inyo yan. Yun lang naman yung sa akin for today. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Gege mga lods.